The Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization's petition highlights pressing environmental concerns surrounding the operations of cement companies in Meghalaya's East Jaintia Hills district. By addressing the additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forests at the Ministry of Environment's Northeastern Regional Office in Shillong today, the organization is pushing for clarity and action regarding what it sees as delayed regulatory measures. Given the environmental stakes, this request aims to ensure that the ministry's intervention adequately addresses the ecological and social impacts affecting local communities. The appeal of the Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization underscores the need for prompt and decisive steps to mitigate potential harms from the cement industry in the Jaintia Hills, emphasizing the importance of safeguarding both natural resources and the health and livelihoods of those living nearby.
Hakani kedor khas ngila penkan mau ba yakanik office ba hausnam hakatarik lai puai tarik August arajar khatar parhadu khat phra arajar khat lai kalau don kata ka joint inspection team ka bakin conduct yakanika assessment te hadian bengi la file ka RTI te ngila lap ya kata ka report nak office jong ka ministry napo Delhi pat kumju napo ki state forest tinggal ayo ka jubab ka bangiyo bat ka report ka bangil apediang bat ni la lumru naki la patay kubor kumju naki office ka bayadai bat kani ka benta te haning la lab ba ya kani ka land acquired daga cement companies can encompass kum ka total approximate ka dai raspa lai pra hektar ka bala classify kum kata ka forest land dan nang ta 6,000 sanpulai poin kendai per hektar la itu la identify kum katakan non forest land. But haga additional san pinyo poin san penriu pan hectares kala categorized kalong unresolved. Te habaya dei pat kani ka basa ka 6,000 saupo poin saupulai hektar ka jakabat umpat la ban la inspect. Te brokot ka dei la 1,000 kendai per hektar. Tengin dalak wat, ngin dalak budien, kat kum gini ki dorkas, kat kum gini kita ki jinglet, kat kum ki jing ekran mentan, nak kalian jing medam yong bakan don sakata ka third phase. Jong kaneka joint inspection. Tahabang ibu jing keling ong balai, hala mental ajen kendai senem kam don show. Te pidai ban kan mau, kaneka por haba dangle kaneka inspection, kadai hakapor jong ka government jong bukul, kaneka kongres, forest minister udang bat terstun tinsam. Tewe hatu kopor ki persyak ke NCP hatu kopor kadang dei jongu kontrak kongkal sangma temen tapat kini kita ke NCP dan dema kila kelas ke NPP kini ki ju hikuru kila don hakabor dan rei ke bawa sung palapat kini ki bala risk tang yakani question menta ki sangap jarjar pak kabas ngu phala shu hausnam kendai pusan iki chairman ki secretary ki dei ki chief secretary dan kita ki bersorka dan rei ke bawa I phala ban menta haga marsen yo chief minister konra hongkal ke sangma ula long la dia chairman ba minister in charge ulong tau vice chairman tekamu kadak ka jengkeli ka ba ima ba kibu kiju kibriu kiba sekren dia kata ka menjadai ka mei mariang ba kidon kita ki affect ki babuan hendri ka kadai is a part of politics what kani ki ba menta ki ba sham opposition jong dr mukul kren tekamu kipat ba ki ban so ba ka politics ka basyarkai bah habiya dai kamay maria bali ngikran kuntangi don like ka jong ko pro ba pilai hi ba hau kandai pusan mano balong chief secretary kide ki chairman andre haga ba mentabat tilak bat ba ki politician ani ki minister kata ta galong ka ba ima ba isyarkai tam pat man ko por PE tang recently ka mo tang sen star cement ka yo ya ka clearance apo MOEF ka ba ngila isai be ba ka sarkar jelahi kasiat suloi na terpeng jongka MOEF kene kalong minum ailat ngin yakun be hadu ba ngin yo ya kata ka jingjob bat kabang ismo palaru dang sian ki ong man kene ba kai kiyo clearance ban tulong public hearing ya kata ka mega top te hadin bengi pat ki kot kislangi pusngi ismo palapat ba kumno kata ka MOEF ka ai Hendrik in lawat banyak bet kadai bet ke single window agency ka berecommend Hendrik ke MOEF kin dalam apa stay kin sependi be yaki bet kane kadai ke balik bet kalong ka khut ke kalong ka subat Hendrik kin pendi pat ya kata ka jinglong jingman kata ka than stay bagi beriau ke haban thiet hi ko ke haban ring sem da ka to ka dan bat kane ru hakador khas ni la mention clear pakai ya tengku hi pat kata ka section arkuwe jom ka riti sensar jom ka rindia pat halor kata ka norin ke lada hadian bekile ikane ka that inspection kana kalian ka seng hi namar kane ka kata ya ka kamyap kampim jom pada habe dei per environment ngin file sa shop human right lada kane ka ministry lane sarkar tamle ai tingin banse bat lada don kamru ngin her biang sipat ba rengkat bat kini ki kot sla bagi don Pagi ngin pedi ya ki ba kumkino ki politician ni dan hapok ke jela ko jumi kanang bagi beriu kin susu ba kin tip ke ba habakot hi ki dei tang ki politician ndai re kita ki bati shaya ka ri ba ke jeng bendre nyam pre ke jumi